with my baby. Top drops.
So hey guys, this is your host Rohit. So today I'm going to unbox best lavalier mic is Boya BY-M1. You might be wondering that why I'm going to unbox this old microphone, but the reason I'm going to review the product is that it is being used by many well-known YouTubers. So in this video we will going to find out that is this still worth buying this product in 2020? Let's find out.
My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking.
So guys, in case if you are wondering for how much I got this microphone, I got this microphone for 780 rupees on Amazon. Let's open the box. So here we have a pouch with the branding on it. The quality of pouch feels premium. So here is the microphone itself. And the condenser with the button on it. You can toggle between the button when you are connecting microphone to a camera or a smartphone. Let's see what's inside the condenser. There is a slot to insert a battery. Let's put microphone aside for a time. Let's see what else we have in the pouch. So we have a silica gel and few attachments. We have foam, battery, and a connector. After using this microphone for a few days, I came to the conclusion, yes, it is still a best deal to buy this microphone in 2020. Guys, there are lots of other microphones in the market which provide equally good or better quality than this microphone, but there are 4 major reasons which makes me feel that this microphone is still best in the market. The first reason is cost. It is a microphone which costs under only 1000 rupees and provides a good quality output. If you are thinking to start a new YouTube channel and want to provide a good audio to your audience, then you should definitely go for this microphone. I bet you that you are not going to regret investing your money on this microphone. So if you are on a tight budget and still wants to buy a good microphone, then you should go for a Muano AU400. I'm going to review that product in my next video, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the instant notification. The build quality of microphone is so good, especially the wire is so strong and can't be easily broken. The condenser is made of metal and it's give a premium feel when you hold it. At last I would say it is the premium quality microphone in this price range. Guys, I have also used Muano AU400, but I felt its build quality is a bit cheap than this mic. So the third reason is background noise removal. This should be a key point for every microphone, and this microphone handles it very well. Guys, there are lots of things to take care when you are recording an audio. Your room should not be noisy, it should be silent, and I advise you to close all the doors and the windows. Trust me guys, this microphone will do the magic. So the fourth point is wire length. If you are a guy who shoots video from distance and wants to connect this microphone to DSLR, then this microphone should be your companion, because this microphone comes with 20 feet long cable. Sometimes it feels irritating to handle this big cable, but if you do it right, trust me guys, there is nothing better than it. So guys, in my knowledge, there is not any microphone in the market which provides this lengthy wire in this price range. So guys, if you can spend money between 700 rupees, between 900 rupees, then you should definitely go for this microphone. But if you are on a tight budget, then you can go for Muano AU400. I'm leaving the link in the description. You can check both microphones. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like button, share with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, bye. We'll be right back.